It all begins in vast orchards, where dry fruits are harvested at peak ripeness.
Each dry fruit is carefully collected to preserve quality from the very first step.
Walnuts follow, harvested with precision to avoid internal damage. Gravity and smart layout guide dry fruits efficiently toward collection points. Delicate pistachios are harvested with extra care to maintain shell integrity. Initial sorting begins right in the field to reduce contamination. Natural sunlight begins the first stage of moisture reduction. Moisture levels are checked to ensure optimal drying conditions.
Uniform drying is achieved by regularly turning the dry fruits.
Once dried, dry fruits are prepared for transport to processing facilities.
Efficient handling ensures minimal loss during transfer. Bulk loading prepares dry fruits for their journey ahead.
Final inspections ensure only the best dry fruits move forward.
Protection from dust and weather is critical during transport. The journey from farm to factory begins.
From rural fields, dry fruits head toward modern processing facilities. The harvested dry fruits now arrive at the heart of industrial processing.
Transport vehicles arrive, carrying raw dry fruits into the processing facility.
Every shipment of dry fruits is verified before entering production zones.
Precise weight measurements ensure accurate inventory tracking.
Each load of dry fruits is logged into the system for traceability. Inside the facility, logistics begin to take over. Forklifts prepare to unload dry fruits with precision handling.
Unloading begins, moving dry fruits toward processing flow.
Coordinated unloading ensures smooth intake of dry fruits. Staging areas organize dry fruits before entering processing lines.
Visual inspection ensures raw dry fruits meet basic quality standards. Each crate of dry fruits is digitally tracked for full traceability. Dry fruits begin their automated journey into processing systems. Multiple dry fruit streams merge into synchronized processing lines. Air systems remove surface dust from incoming dry fruits.
Mechanical screening separates unwanted materials efficiently.
Temporary storage buffers regulate the flow of dry fruits.
Flow control ensures steady and balanced processing.
Dry fruits now enter the core of industrial transformation.
A modern facility where raw dry fruits are transformed with precision and scale.
Every batch of dry fruits moves through controlled entry points.
Inside, the process is already in motion. An organized system designed for continuous dry fruit processing.
Strict hygiene ensures clean handling of dry fruits.
Proper protective gear maintains safety and product integrity. Control systems monitor every stage of dry fruit processing. Automated controls regulate the entire production line. A network of conveyors moves dry fruits seamlessly across zones. Consistent lighting ensures visibility for precise operations. Human oversight complements automated systems.
Ventilation maintains optimal conditions for dry fruits.
Raw dry fruits enter controlled intake systems. Even distribution prepares dry fruits for precise cleaning.
Uniform alignment ensures consistent processing.
Dry fruits move into the first major cleaning stage. Heavy-duty machines prepare to refine the dry fruits.
Each stage is carefully monitored to maintain quality.
The transformation of raw dry fruits has officially begun. Rotating drums begin removing surface impurities from dry fruits. The first layer of cleaning reveals the true texture of dry fruits.
Air systems remove remaining lightweight contaminants.
Magnetic systems ensure dry fruits remain free from metal contamination.
Size-based sorting begins with precision vibration technology.
Larger dry fruits are separated for specialized processing.
Medium-sized dry fruits form the bulk of production flow.
Smaller fragments are separated for alternative uses.
Density-based separation removes hidden impurities.
Separation begins for advanced optical sorting.
Optical systems detect even the smallest imperfections.
Defective pieces are removed to maintain premium quality.
Only the finest dry fruits continue through the system.
Human inspection. Human inspection adds an extra layer of quality control.
Even minor defects are carefully eliminated.
Rechecked dry fruits rejoin the automated line.
A final rinse ensures complete cleanliness.
Moisture is quickly removed before drying begins. Dry fruits now move into controlled drying systems. Controlled heat prepares dry fruits for the next stage of transformation.
Controlled drying removes excess moisture from dry fruits with precision.
Advanced sensors ensure perfect moisture balance in every batch. The drying stage completes as dry fruits exit with ideal texture.
Cooling stabilizes the dry fruits before further processing.
Temperature checks ensure safe handling conditions.
Shell cracking begins for selected dry fruits like walnuts. Shells are efficiently removed to reveal edible kernels. Blanching loosens almond skins for removal.
Skins are gently removed to enhance texture and appearance.
Pistachios are carefully opened without damaging kernels. Kernels are aligned for precise handling in later stages. Uniformity is maintained by separating broken dry fruits. Surface residues are removed to improve shelf life. Secondary cleaning ensures absolute purity. A uniform layer prepares dry fruits for advanced processing. Final checks are made before transformation continues. Roasting enhances flavor and aroma of dry fruits.
Controlled heat transforms the character of dry fruits.
Constant motion ensures even roasting across every batch. The core processing stage completes with perfectly roasted dry fruits. Now, automation takes over to refine the final product. After processing, dry fruits move in perfectly aligned flow toward final handling.
A final inspection ensures only premium dry fruits move ahead.
Precision weighing prepares dry fruits for consistent packaging.
The final stage begins as dry fruits enter automated packaging systems.
Sealed packs of dry fruits emerge, ready for distribution.
Packaging continues as products are arranged into shipping cartons.
Cartons are stacked onto pallets for bulk handling.
Finished dry fruits are loaded for delivery across markets.
And this is how modern factories produce dry fruits from start to finish.